dhaba style spicy paneer gravy. Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's start. Into a grinder, we'll pour mint leaves, capsicum, and coriander leaves. Grind them. Now add roughly chopped tomatoes. It will become a thick green paste. Let's get cooking. In a pan, heat oil. Add cumin seeds. And finely chopped ginger. Cook for 2 minutes on medium-high flame. Add the black pepper and cloves. Now add the green paste that we made earlier. It splatters, so maintain your distance. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add in the salt, coriander powder, chilli powder, and 4 finely cut green chillies. Add the capsicum cubes. Capsicum gives a vibrant contrast to the dish. Now add 1 cup of yogurt, Now comes the star of the recipe, which is paneer, obviously. Add in some milk. When you see that the oil is separating from our gravy, it's cooked. For the wonderful tadka, heat some ghee in a tadka pan. Add 2 whole red chillies, a pinch of cumin seeds, and a spoonful of red chilli powder. Pour over the paneer gravy. Sprinkle some garam masala powder and garnish with coriander leaves.